Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. In today's episode we will talk about fuboTV Incorporated, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name FUBO. Well, what is very important to note about FUBO quite quickly is the fact that it is showing a very nice indication of the declining trend of the correction end. And this means that if this is confirmed by this week, by end of this week, then we know that we are about to start a new growth, let's say, series. Therefore, it would be really nice to buy here and to be preparing yourself for good, let's say, profit-making opportunities. So to understand what I'm talking about, what's happening here, let's do a quick look, first of all, at the current chart. We can see that after having from November all the way towards actually mid of December of previous year, really nice growth that ended up at about 60. We had our first, let's say, kind of a breakage of the trend, then kind of zigzagging, trying to recover, but usually it's a clear indication of trend being finishing. Then by forming a very clear, let's say, resist level, let's plot it here with red, and we can call it R1. By forming this, by actually end of January, let's call it R1, we are now, well, that time we were actually starting the correction, and the correction went with really rare but one channel correction. So it was a clear move with one channel. Here you can see it. Let's make it dark for our convenience. And then what is happening now, actually we see that last 2 weeks we were reaching to the upwards part of this declining channel, and now it's completely broken, confirmed, and we actually stopped today at moving average 200 here, the red line, tried to pierce it a little bit with upward shadow, and after hours we're still positively volatile. So what does it mean here? It means that further breakout might take place and we can actually go to further growth. But before this is going to happen, due to the fact that we have still let's say here upwards shadow, still some small volatility negatively might take place, and this will open for us very nice opportunity to buy already here. So therefore it would be advised to enter already in these levels, which are just between 22.40 and actually 24.25. Why this? Because this would be also called a primary technical pattern, meaning that if the breakout is indeed confirmed and we are going higher, then the target price would be R1 level all the way, and then it will be advised to say, and it could make you really incredible move, almost 100% profit for mid-term traders. For short-term traders, of course, it's advised to take profit earlier, and because this is very fast moving, we would advise to take profit from 15 to 20%. If you are, let's say, short-term trader, if you are really a mid-term trader, you can really expect up to 50, even more, up to almost 100% growth within some time. But because, as I said, the the ultimate goal actually is R1 level. So this is being a short-term profit and longer-term being R1 level. The buying opportunity here, the primary one will start between 22.40 and 24.25. So let's write it here. So if the pattern is immediately confirmed, this would be really, let's do it as a call out, this will be really a very nice opportunity to enter, and actually we can start growing already from this level. Still what might be happening, because we could little bit decline further, even might be all the way to moving average 20, because or even to the, let's say, to this descending channel, because still it might require some time, let's say, to reload, to retrace the positive move. Still possible, of course, very rare, but sometimes it happens. Therefore, we just need to keep, it doesn't cancel, let's say, the recovery pattern, but just, let's say, it could cause a little bit of pullback. Therefore, here would be clearly formed here, and also by mid of April and by mid of May, very nice second entry level, which will be again confirming recovery, but secondary level to enter between 20.64 on the top and 18.73 at the bottom. So we can write it again as a second call out here. Let's do it 18.73 and 20.64. This will be the secondary let's say, technical level to buy through. And if this is going to happen, I mean, still, as I said, it's not neglecting the fact that it's not canceling the fact that we are in the recovery sequence. It's just, let's say, correcting before the recovery, like one final shortage tryout will be there. For other parameters, very important, we're starting second positive wave here, MACD histogram wise, which means that we're indeed about to leg upwards any moment. So the first channel is very strong, the primary. Also RSI is heading up, so we're really about to go to oversold area, meaning that a nice leg up should be taking place here. Therefore, it's really important to buy already at the first level. And as always, we just keep, although very rare in this case, very rare possibility, but we always keep these funds to cope with possible negative catalyst, if any, and this would be the clear principal level between 11.83 and 14.44. This is just to keep some funds if any negative catalyst suddenly kicks in and drops the price. Still, this would mean that recovery is there. It just will deep down and then immediately recover. So just a momentary situation. We want to mitigate that risk. We always do at our channel. If you are not first time at this channel, you know this. So we just keep some funds to mitigate risks, because our philosophy is that we do not talk about stop loss, cut loss, or whatsoever, but we always want to exit with a profit. Therefore, we need to be prepared for any major risks. And while mitigating those, it means that if all risks are mitigated, what remains for you is just taking profit. So with this being said, these are 3 levels to buy. Extremely strong primaries. For the first level is extremely strong. Others two are less probable, but still we keep some funds to be very sure that we are finishing positively. And asking yourself how to buy, it's a very classical situation. So classical 5-portion play. What does it mean? It means that the money you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions. Then you can buy with 1 portion for the first channel, which is already immediate buy. Then you start buying with, if the primary technical channel is declined, we go to the second level. Then you buy with another 2 portions through the second level. And almost impossible situation, but if any, we have super negative catalyst and price really drops down, you just buy with the remaining 2 portions at the third level, and then you don't need to exit. You just still exit with a profit. You don't need to exit with losses, and the profit will be really significant for this one. This is very profitable stock. If you know how to enter, you mitigate your risks. Really, really nice. I think one of the best stocks for this week at the moment to have a quick, very nice profit. So good luck with this one. If you like the way we analyze stocks and we give our opinions, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.